My name's Les Stringer. I'm with the Barrie branch of Clera, and I've been with the company for just about 21 years. What I like most about working with Clera is they're a family-owned business, and you feel like family working with them. You don't feel like a big monster corporation. We're treated like family, and we try and treat our customers like family. The big difference between us and most of our competitors is that we manufacture our own windows and doors, and we have for the last 41 years. Most companies either manufacture or install, whereas we do both. Thanks to all my previous customers, and there's a lot of yous out there, and anybody needing windows, please don't hesitate to give us a call, and we'll look after you.